Hi guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today's video is about finishing your shot, that how your shot should be completed or where your cue should finish after the shot. This is a very important part because this is a major mistake and very common mistake among club players or amateur players. So you need to understand and be very attentive to this topic because and then you'll have to compare your technique. You can put a camera and see where you are finishing on certain shots. Some shots you play differently and other shots we play differently. So make sure whenever you are playing a shot, it has to be uniform, it has to be same pattern. So before we start our today's video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And for my live transmission and my live interaction, I'm mostly live on my Facebook page. Don't forget to follow it, that is Hindi Snooker, and my Instagram as well. So let's start today's video. So guys, I have set up a straight red in the center pocket and it's a straight white. What I'm going to show you a couple of shots and a couple of mistakes what players usually make, and try to assess your technique and try to correct your problems if you are facing some such problem. What happens is when they're playing a shot and they want to play a shot, and what they do is they just try to finish shot like this, even though they have potted the ball, but they are never confident on the white ball's position or their pot. So this is a very common mistake what they do. Even when they are playing a power shot, what they are doing is, again, they hit like this and they finish like this, and that actually make them squeeze their hand like a fist. So you have to be very careful with that, and don't punch it, don't hit it too hard with the power of your shoulder or your muscle. Let the cue go through and play your shot complete and let it finish on your chest. Okay, now this is going to be a decent shot. Look, I see I have finished my shot completely and didn't snatch my cue, didn't squeeze my cue at all. Even for a play shot, just grab your cue further away from the tag where you usually grip your cue and just play your shot complete. So these are very important things that players are actually ignoring and they don't realize it. Again, this because these topics are related to your technique, your basics. So if you are having any problems and you feel like that sometimes you're playing very good and sometimes you are playing very bad, or you are missing easy shot, this could be the one of the reason that you miss your ball. And also when you're not finishing your shot complete, it tends to, and you're trying to stop your cue, it grips very tight and it deviates your cue from the line of aim. So make sure when you're playing a shot, you're hitting it complete and you're finishing to the chest, and that will be your perfect delivery, and that you will feel the difference of your hitting and the polite and slight and delicate movement of your cueing. You've seen so many top players doing such a good cueing, like Ronnie, like Stephen Lee has used to be a Rolls Royce cue action, John Higgins, everybody, they make sure they don't snatch their cue. So I hope this video will help, and if you have got any questions, let me know. Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Instagram. And any questions, any suggestions, please send me a WhatsApp message. My number is there, and I take all suggestions very seriously. So thank you very much guys, take care, bye.